I can't even tell you guys the last time I was at Pine Hills. Now, the last time I came here, it was closed. The time before that, I crapped out after the Mad Hatter because I got too out of hand. I am excited to come back and see what they've gotten. It's probably been since summer, which is insane. I used to come here all the time. This is too cute for $4.50. Why not? Yeah, finally. So this one usually sells for $30 easily. It's 22 minus 10%, so 20 bucks. Minus 6%, so it would be like $8 profit. Let's see what else they got too. And then this one, which is made in Japan. It looks off for some reason though. Looks like it's been repainted. 18, so that's a good one too. This is usually the booth I finish with, so I'm gonna continue my lap first. Finally, we're seeing some hearts. Now I am gonna finish at that booth I just came from. I just got distracted because I've been looking everywhere and have yet to see it. So it looks like I might get lucky here. Now, one thing I really love are the Flag Flex ballerinas. That is one, unfortunately, at $25. That's about what I get for those after fees, especially in that condition. That is amazing. I love the St. Patrick's Day display back there. It's $30, which is around what I'd get for that after fees. They have such great fun holiday collectibles here. Oh my gosh, that girl is super hard to find. All right, let's keep going. Oh my gosh, look at the Christmas cat and dog salt and pepper shakers. They're only $11. I kind of want to get them. They're pretty spectacular. I've never seen that version with the blue cat. What is that bag? It's got like seashells and stuff on it. That's kind of wild. Oh, I hear keys. Let me get those salt and pepper shakers. I'm quickly thinking that Pine Hills will be my biggest spend of the day. Now I'm in the cat case. I see a lot of the ones in the bisque material and a lot of the newer ones. Not really seeing anything that I need today. Like I said, uber unique or Valentine's Day. Oh no, I don't need to be in here. This booth is the booth where I usually get all kinds of stuff for myself I don't need. Like, that lamp is amazing and the price is right. In fact, let me look at this better. Hold on, I gotta put my camera down. Now, this is something I could definitely make money on. It's $34 plus 10%, so like 31, let's say. But I'm just a little unsure if I want to spend that on that. Now, the lamps are amazing, but you know what really caught my attention were these blue shades. And what's crazy is they're $200 for the pair. That is really crazy. Oh my gosh, look at that whale thing back there. What? What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's $12. This fiber optic whale thing. Hold on. Okay, there's a lot happening down here, actually, now that I'm taking a second look. Like this basketball lamp. I kind of want that. I have a perfect shade for it, too. I have like this gold glitter shade. Do I need it? No. What is that? Looks like advertising. It's very cool, though. Let's look at the signs. Oh no, this is how it happens. I can feel it. I don't need the whale. The whale, I'll be like, why did I buy this in like 20 minutes? But the basketball lamp is so cool. Shut the front door. Look at this planter. Oh my gosh, and it's only $7. I'm getting that. I'm still having a really hard time letting that basketball planter go, lamp go for some reason. I'm thinking I might go back for it, especially because I've gotten this gold glitter shade that is just to die for, and I've been waiting to find the perfect lamp to put it on, and that is definitely it. Oh, so much fun stuff. And the pumpkin planter How much is that one? $30. That's about what I get for those after fees. Now, where's this is $7. It's not perfect. It's got a little nick on the paint there and some crazing, but for $7, I don't care. And then a little Real Hair Christmas Pixie Caroler. Now, this is something I get all the time. $15. That's not enough to justify. That's about what I get for them after fees, pretty much. Oh my gosh, also this planter. That is so stinking cute. At $18, I don't think there's enough room to justify that though. A lot of nursery planters sell super well, but I feel like the ones that say baby or something like that, or storks don't as well, but this cat and the bunny, I kind of feel like it might be worth it. But again, it's a little bit more than I'd like to pay up front. Shut the front door. Oh my gosh, I want this so bad, but it's $45. I'm not paying that. Little rubber Joseph Originals elves. About what I get for them after fees, 12 bucks. They have such great stuff in this case. Oh, so much great stuff in this booth. Now, I've passed on that Yorkie planter before, and that cat set I've had dozens of times. What is that? That is oh, that's not what I thought it was at all. So much Royal Copley. Oh my gosh. And I don't really deal with those classes, but yeah, a lot of Royal Copley. Not really my thing, honestly. It has to be super cheap or been a while. I have to be in like a mood for that. Oh my gosh, look at those guys. $50. Oh, it's $50 each. Dang. To be honest, a collector might do that. For resale, for me, I can't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna skip around. I can't ignore this. It's gonna be priced adequately, I believe. Yeah, so far, very much so. 25. Can't do that. Let's see what else we got here. The Angels. So far, all retail. Love this. But again, retail or after fees on everything so far. But at least it's here, you know. Now we have a better idea of what I'm looking for, just not at these prices. Now what is, ooh, this little recipe box. Oh, but 18, I can't do that. How much is, I thought that said 18 at first. I was like, what? How much is this one? Oh my gosh, please don't break anything, Kate. 24, yeah, I can't do that. What? Inflatable Humpty Dumpty. It looks like new too. Is it? I think it's missing its stopper actually. I don't know if I can justify that. I don't know, it's pretty great. I'm not sure. It's really trying to come with me. Huh. Still, even at $8. Oh my gosh, look at this little girl. She's so cute. 23. That's about retail on that. And we got a shamrock planter. 15. That's a really good price. It's got a little paint loss, but still. Yeah, 15 minus $1.30 because it's over 10.01. $13.50. I feel like my last one sold for $29. I'm gonna come back to this booth. You know what's happening? I'm getting tunnel vision because I really want that basketball lamp. Okay, I did get the basketball lamp. I was really obsessed with it. I'm not sure what I'm going through there, but again, a lot of really cute stuff in these cases that I like, these cases, but all very close to retail. Oh my gosh, the Christmas girl. And then these are the candy containers. 22, yeah. I usually sell mine for about 20, and I got 4 for 20 earlier today. I actually sell them for 19. Now this little baby with the snail leaf thing is incredible, but it's also $55. And I love the skunks. We all love the skunks, but they're a little pricey. a few things here. I like one, the fuzzy cat. That guy's only 16, but he's missing his whiskers. Now the Lefton chicks, I do pick them up for the right price. Sometimes they sell super quick, especially around Easter, but I'm gonna save that. Now the jam and jelly set is what really has my attention. $40 though, super fair for a collector, maybe a little close for me. And the biscuit material I'm really trying to stay away from. And I love the pie guys there. How much are those? 18. I'm not sure if I'm willing to gamble with those. Whoa, look at the Lefton Elf teapot, and it's only $80, which if I was buying as a collector, I would jump on that for sure. Now I've already bought a basketball lamp today. Look at this golf bag one, that's hilarious. I'm obsessed with my basketball lamp though, all kidding aside. I'll show it off when I do my house tour next month. A couple things I really love here. One, the reindeer, Mrs. Claus and Santa, and of course the girl and the boy on bike, but they're both pretty close to retail, if not retail. I was kind of hoping this guy had its mate, but it doesn't look like he does. Yeah, single shaker. What are these pink little elephants? Oh, so cute. Now, I got a lot of great candy boxes from this vendor last year. Look at this tree skirt. Oh my gosh. 22. I think I could make, oh, it's just got Santa on the one side. If it had like a reindeer or a snowman or something on the other, I would get it for that price. But all the ones I'm seeing, oh, that's cute. All the ones I'm seeing are ones I left last year, honestly. It's like there's no new Valentine's Day stuff out this year. It's crazy. Yeah, let's see over here. Yeah, I mean, that's a newer one. That's a newer one. New. This one's not the best. 18 too. Yeah, it's new. Oh, well. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 That is cute. The pages are all messed up. But wait, like, there's so much happening here. The fish, we have to know how much they are. They're probably expensive. $95, yes. Well, that's that. What about these hands? 45. Those are weird. Like weird. Should I even... $40 for the pair. That's pretty much what I'd sell those for too. I'm scared to put this back. There it is. Yeah, oh well. That's fair though. It's still fantastic, honestly. I love the bride and groom cake toppers and the little Love Is Music box. How much is that? $20. That's adorable. And of course the little pixies. This one's cute even though it's got some damage. 45. I can't do that for resale. So I've been thinking about the shamrock planter. I love the colors of these. You know, it's all stuff that I would normally jump on another day, but as far as Valentine's Day season goes, I'm gonna be super frugal because my goal is to go to as many places as possible. And at this rate, I'm gonna be able to go out of town for a few days next week. So I'm gonna keep it tight. I mean, when I come back, I can always go out again, you know, when it gets closer to the actual day and I kind of realize, hey, this is all that's coming out. I'll go back to buying, you know, all the stuff I like that can make me profit within reason. But in the meantime, ooh, look, here's another one of those lamb planters. $14. That's what I sold mine for last week. Call me crazy, but I'm gonna pass. I just don't want to pay that much. And just got some Valentine's Day hankies down the road. You guys, check this thing out. This is awesome. I'm obsessed with it. I only spent $45 in there and 24 of that was on this spectacular lamp. I'm gonna buckle this thing in, and since I'm doing so well on time and money, I'm gonna get in the car and I'm gonna go somewhere I've never brought you guys before.